Welcome to another episode of Taki's World. My name is Chris, and today I will be showing you how to make Grinch themed pancakes. It's actually a funny story. I went to IHOP and they're doing a promotion of Grinch themed pancakes where you get your pancakes green and little hearts with cream cheese and frosting on top to make it look like the mountain. Unfortunately, I had a bad experience, and well, if you can see through here, if I'm able to put it on, that's what my pancakes look like. So then I had an idea, not an awful idea like the Grinch, but a brilliant idea on making home themed pancakes to look a little bit better than what I got. Let's get started. We'll start off by setting our heating at 2 to see how it goes. If it needs any higher, we'll raise it a little. The things you will need to make your Grinch pancakes will be frying pan, pancake mix, blue and yellow food coloring, heart-shaped candies, a star tip, a strainer, mixing bowl, white frosting, and Cool Whip. We'll start off by adding our water. And then we'll put in our pancake mix, but we'll put in with the strainer and then add the food coloring. Now we'll start by mixing it up. Once your mix has been blended, we'll start by adding the yellow and blue food coloring, or if you have green, just use green. Once your pancake mix is ready and green, we'll start off by pouring some pan on the pan and until it's bubbling, then you flip and your pancake will be ready. We're going to try at least make 3 of these for our Grinch themed pancakes. I shall now attempt to do a flip by handicapping myself with 2 spatulas because I'm nervous. 1, 2, 3. Nailed it! After using the pan to make your pancakes, you should have up to 4 pieces of pancakes. Once it's cool, we'll start decorating the top. Use some of your white frosting and color that green too, but leave the Cool Whip white. So we're going to use that for the snow. It's time to decorate your Grinch themed pancakes. We'll start off by adding our Cool Whip and give it a snowy effect.
Be
okay if it comes out a little messy. Snow isn't perfect, but you just want to have it wobbling everywhere. After that, you're going to use your frosting. I colored it green. You don't want to put too much. Nope. And we're going to use these kinds of hearts because remember, the Grinch's heart is 2 sizes too small than the regular heart. You're just going to want to maybe even the town of Whoville will enjoy them. And there you have your how the Grinch Stole Christmas themed pancakes. Any Whoville, even the Grinch will enjoy. Don't forget to give a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for any other suggestions for my next video. Maybe a Wreck-It Ralph cake, Minecraft cake, who knows, possibilities. Bye.